beauties, welcome to my channel. This side Veronica. So in today's video I'm going to show you my favorite body brightening soap. So guys, without delaying, let's get started. So friends, the soap which I'm talking about is this is AE Naturals Roop Sundar Skin Brightening Soap, and this soap is like really amazing. First of all, let me tell you the benefits that what this soap does. It will gonna remove tan. This is a detan soap, and trust me, it will gonna remove all the tan from your body, dark spots from your face, pigmentation, and beauties. This you can use this soap like all over your face, all over your body, yeah, except private parts of course, but you can use it on your face and on your whole body. It will gonna remove all the dark patches. Like if you're having that dark elbow, then it will gonna remove it. You can see I'm using this soap like from last 3 weeks or 1 month I must say, and this soap is like amazing. It removes all the darkness from my elbows, and if you're having like dark patches on your underarms, then this soap is best for you. This will gonna give you a fair complexion, like 3-4 shades fairer, and it will gonna remove all the oil, dark spots, excess oil from your face, and then dark blackheads and all the impurities from your face and from your body. Friends, here I am having its carton too. Luckily I found this. So here I am having this carton. You can see the name is written over there, AE Naturals Roop Sundar Skin Whitening Soap. Then there is parabens and SLS free. So let me read some of the benefits which is written on this. It claims that it improves skin texture 3-4 shades and makes your skin glow, as I told you, because I used it, and all the benefits which I told you earlier is by my own personal experience. So that is the thing. So it's like it controls pigmentation, dark spots and pimples. It reduces uneven skin tone. Yes, it does that, because I remember I was having a little bit of acne marks, but after using this, it removes it just all my acne marks are totally vanished, and it just made my skin so clear. So yes, it does that. Also it reduces all the remove tan, and it exfoliates dead skin cell, and no side effect, work for both men and women. So this is something like, these are the benefits which is written on it, and trust me, all the thing which it is claiming, it will gonna do that. Trust me, it will. So friends, let me tell you about the ingredients which it is having. It has Parijat extract in it, and as we all know, Parijat extract is a very good herb which will gonna help you in improving your skin texture, and it is very good for your skin. And then it has kojic acid, and kojic acid, as we all know, it reduces the level of melamine, making your skin so good and fairer. So there are so many good things in it. It has vitamin E, then which will gonna moisturize your skin. Then it has essential oils in it, which are like almond oil, coconut oil. Let me read some of them too for you guys. Like it has Parijat, then coconut oil, almond oil, vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil is amazing for your skin. Trust me, it will gonna make your skin so clear, like totally spotless. Then it has jojoba oil, glycerine, shea butter and milk protein, and there are so many goodness in it. Actually, when I used it on myself, I can just smell it, and I can just feel that goodness on my skin, and just made my skin so good, so soft, and everything is just like too good. In my body also, it just removed all the tan, because I remember when I came back from Mumbai and my skin was like so tan. I used it, as I told you, I used it for like 1 month, and my skin becomes so fair, so good, and totally tan free, and I am like so happy with this. I am so happy with the result of this soap. To give you a demo on my hand, that I am using this, and I am taking this soap. There are some like important points I must tell you, that always apply it directly on your skin like this, because it affects more than just apply it directly. And the second most important thing is that leave it like this for at least 2 minutes. Just leave it like this, because it will gonna give you a good result. Then just apply it and leave it like this on your whole body, including your face, for like 2 minutes, and then wash it with normal water. Then just bath it, take a bath, and with normal water like this. I'm leaving it like this for at least 2 minutes, because I think 2 minutes is necessary to give it, like to work it on your skin like this. best thing is that beauties, it removes all the dirt, oil and greasiness from your body, making your body is like so soft, so moisturized and so good. I am in love with this soap. Trust me, I'm using it on my whole body, on my face, on my whole body and on my hands too. And seriously, it just made my hands so fair, so good and like totally tan free. So this soap is like really amazing. Just do this and try this on your whole body, on your whole face, and like this soap is really good, and this is gonna make your skin so clean, so fair, so bright and totally tan. Beauties, in the end, I want to tell you, if you want to achieve that like clear skin, spotless body, clear body without any spot, dark patches, without blackheads, without any pigmentation, then just go with this. At least give it a try. This is like highly recommended from my side, that this AE Naturals Roop Sundar Skin Whitening Soap is really good, and especially in this summer when we all are just having that bad tan on our body, then just go with this soap will gonna remove all the unwanted things, tan, everything from your body, making your whole body look very bright, white and clear. So beauties, I'm going to share the link of this product in my description box, so beauties, just don't forget to check my description box. Hope you have liked this video, hope you have enjoyed it. If you have any queries regarding this product, just comment it in the comment section. I love you so much beauties. See you in my next video. Bye and take care.